Hi, my name is HinKeL and you are watching Infact Plays Games.
Welcome to Quake 4. The reason I chose this game for today's video is because I finally got it to work again, which got me super excited. I first played this game back in 2005, when it was released 1 year after the critically acclaimed Doom 3. Both run on the same engine, as you probably could tell by the similar look. Both games have also been developed by id Software and published by Activision. So, when I first played this game, I was still a youngster and everything was pretty overwhelming. Even though I played Doom 3 before, Quake 4 gave me a lot more satisfaction. The weapons looked better and the enemy design was really appealing to me. Heck, even the story, which was pretty basic, I'll admit that, managed to keep me playing. For everybody who's interested, it picks up after Quake 2, in which humanity launched an offensive on the Strogg home planet to prevent Earth from being attacked. Quake 4 then puts you in the shoes of a Marine from Rhino Squad and is the second and final part of said invasion. As you probably have guessed by now, getting it to run on Windows 7 really got me thrilled and I couldn't wait to dive back into the old memories again. After starting the game though, it kept crashing. I figured that it had to be a compatibility issue as Windows XP and 2000 were the current operating systems at that time. Running it in compatibility mode and applying the latest patch fixed this issue real quick. Then a second problem, though it was a minor one, came up. The max resolution supported was only 1280 by 720 pixels. And as you guys know, modern gamers like us aren't used to low resolutions. A simple ini modification was enough though. Praise older games where everything was much more simple. So what more can I tell you about the game? First of all, the graphics still look pretty nice, and even this game manages to drop my frame rate below 60 FPS sometimes. Gameplay is also pretty solid, as I have yet to encounter any bug apart from stupid situations where you can actually die. You have a single player and a multiplayer part, which I have to be honest here, I haven't touched, so my experiences are purely single player related. The single player mode comes in 4 different difficulty settings like Private, Corporal, Lieutenant and General, from easy to expert, with Lieutenant being the most enjoyable experience. The game even features driving parts. Some where the game actually plays like an on-rails shooter, which is a welcome change of pace. Not that the game is the most fast-paced shooter beforehand. Other parts even allow you to drive a tank, a friggin' hover tank. It's pretty agile, fast, can take a lot of punishment and takes enemies out like they were nothing. During those parts, expect a lot of enemies, explosions, noise and stuff blowing up. Most of the game is played on foot though. While being on foot, the game features 10 different weapons which let you wreak havoc on your foes. They range from the classics like the shotgun and the rocket launcher to a hyper blaster and even the overpowered one-shot dark matter gun, which is similar to the BFG in the Doom series. The level design is great too. It's a linear shooter alright, but the sound, ambience, lighting and textures really give the levels an authentic feel. That's about it for today's video, so I'll let you enjoy a small boss fight before I'm out.
Activate that and the coolant pumps will shut down. In a matter of minutes the Tetralone will... excellent! Corporal K and the Tetralone will soon be destroyed, and the Nexus will become inoperative. Kane! It can't be! It's the Macron! Get out of that Kane! Get out!
If you liked this video, check out these bad boys here and hit the subscribe button. Also, don't be shy and leave us a comment down below to tell us what you think. Peace out.